Hey everybody, my name is Brandon Wheatley and I'm a graduate from a full stack C# program at the Nashville Software School. I just wanted to take a few minutes to walk you through my capstone project, Envision. Created in just a little over a week, Envision seeks to solve the problem of waning motivation. Everybody has a dream or a goal that they're working towards, and it can be really easy to feel motivated in the beginning. But then a month down the road, the allure of Netflix or YouTube's finely tuned algorithm is too hard to ignore. So we're going to try and fix that. Let's go ahead and register a new account. This uses Firebase authentication. Let's create a new dream. I dream of becoming a developer. It's going to ask us why we want to do it. To cultivate a forward-looking skill set. Creatively express myself with technology. Have fun problem solving. And learn how to type. Let's continue on to the hows. How am I going to do this? So we're going to first start at square one and decide on a language. It's more important to just pick a language and learn how to think like a developer than it is necessarily to learn a specific language. So we're going to time box ourselves with 60 minutes there. I also decided to enroll in a boot camp. I just happen to know that's about 262,800 minutes, not that I have been counting them. Reviewing vocab is something that everybody can take a few minutes out of their day to do just to stay fresh on all the topics that they've been learning. And finally, networking is important, so we're going to find a meetup to attend. So that's going to take us 45 minutes or so, and we are going to do it many times. So let's get to work. And that takes us to the main pillar of the app. It's going to remind us of what it is we're looking at exactly. Have a what should I do button, which we'll come back to in just a minute. And then we get into the list of active tasks, as well as the ability to add any if we think of some down the road. So let's say we have decided on a language. From here, we can mark it as complete. That's going to take it out of our list of tasks to do and add it down here to the list of tasks that are completed, since it's only something that we need to do once. And like I said earlier, reviewing vocab is always important. So we're going to mark this as complete as well. And that's going to leave it here in the task or the active task log, but then document that we completed it on this day. And those will stay there. We could have a million instances of that if we wanted to, and they'll always be there for us to come back to. Underneath that, we have another option to check out the whys. And this is going to pull from our list of whys that we added whenever we first created the dream and display one to us randomly. So we can just check down there, for a quick refresher. But if we want to check out the rest of them, we can select this, and it's going to read them all out to us. And from here, we can edit or delete these as we see fit, or add another one. But let's go back and take a look at another account. And we can see here we've got a list of other dreams that have been filled out. So let's take a look at this first one. And that takes us to a new page that we didn't get to see before, where anytime we go to revisit a dream, it's going to, again, friendlily remind us of what it is that we are pursuing, and again, another random selection from that list of whys that we created whenever we first instantiated the dream. So let's take a look at this what should I do button. So a bottleneck for me whenever it comes to working on a project or a goal of mine is that it's sometimes difficult looking at the insurmountable mountain of tasks that I have in front of me and figuring out what it is exactly that I want to do. I'll spend, if I have 45 minutes, I'll spend 20 of those minutes weighing my options and waste away half of my available time. So let's say that I do indeed have 45 minutes, and I know that I've been sitting on the couch watching Netflix for the last 3 hours, but I gotta get to work on this goal. So we're going to tell Envision that we have 45 minutes, and it's going to look through our list of available tasks, filter everything from that time or shorter, and then display one to us randomly. So looks like I've got some video thumbnails that I need to make, and I'm going to go ahead and get to work. So thank you guys so much for checking this out with me. I hope you had as much fun looking at it as I did making it, and I look forward to chatting with you.